Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be creating these cute little fence embellishments that I featured on my Instagram about a week ago. You guys, I am so upset. I filmed this video yesterday and I accidentally deleted it. For some reason, I saw it on YouTube and I was watching it, but I saw that it was still processing on the top and I was like, okay, I can see the video on the bottom, so why should it be processing on the top? I hit delete and guess what? I deleted my footage. So I am re-recording right after work. It's 6:07. I just got home. These are the ones that I created with you guys yesterday, but I guess everything happens for a reason. This is actually better lighting because I did film last night around 7 and I also filmed with my mat on the table, and I realized that it kind of darkens the lighting. Right now I don't have any lamps on, it's all natural lighting, so I want to get through this video as fast as I can before it gets dark. So the first things that you're gonna need, actually I forgot my die. Let me show you guys the die. 1 second. Where's my die? Okay, I found it. So this is the die that I use to create these embellishments. It's super cute. It's a good size. This is the size, and I got this on AliExpress for under $2. I think like $1.89. This is what the cut looks like, and that's what we're working with. And to decorate it, of course, you just need some ephemera pieces, some little embellishments, whatever you want to use. You can use spiders, plastic spiders, pom-poms. I also use some of the webbing that they sell in the dollar store. I use some ink to ink up my fences and give them that distressed look. You can have spiders, skeletons. I also have here some little word phrases because I like to put some word phrases on them, and a bunch of ephemera pieces. Just whip out your stash, you guys, and go into town with the fences. Make them look however you want. I also have this little tray right here, little cupcake holder with a bunch of Halloween goodies because I think I'm going to use some of the phrases from Little Hot Tamales pastel collection. So let's get on with it, you guys. I want to get a piece of scrap paper because I don't want to stain my desk when I'm staining the fences. I also have some baby powder here because if I do use some of these stickers, I want to take off the adhesive from the back, and that's a little trick, you guys. You use some baby powder and it takes off the stickiness off the back of the sticker. Okay, so my hot glue gun is running. I'm filming 2 videos for you guys today. So we're going to do the fences, and then tomorrow's video is going to be I lost my train of thought. Bag toppers. So let me just grab a piece of scrap paper. And we can get the show on the road. How was you guys' day? Well, how was your guys' day? Mine was okay. I went into work late. I went into work around 11 o'clock. Because I had some maintenance being done in my apartment, and yeah, but regardless, my day still felt a little long, which I don't know why, because you would think since I went in late that it would go faster, but it didn't. So first thing I'm doing is, of course, inking up my fences, giving them that little dirty look that fences tend to have, like in haunted houses and stuff. Just that creepy look. I'm really into distressing my embellishments for Halloween, whether it's with just regular black ink or the Tim Holtz distress ones, which I'm wanting to collect. I have the mini ones, but I want to get the big ones. I really like those. So you don't have to do too much of this. I like to do like, just go heavy on some of the corners. And I don't use any special tools. I'm sure there's a tool for this, but I only use my little painting tool that I found at the dollar store. Okay, so our little fences are distressed. Make sure that I am in frame. And then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with them. So first things first, let's see what I want to put. Maybe, am I going to do a haunted house again? I don't know if I want to do a haunted house again. This is the new Pebbles ephemera pack. I think it's Spooky Boo. So cute. Let's see if there's anything good here that we can put. Oh, maybe I can put like the 3 kids standing right in front of it. That looks cute. I want to make them different because, oh, that'll be cute like that, where they're all standing in front of the gate, and maybe I can put like a little spooky ghost right here. Or is there any other? Oh yeah, I think I like this. So maybe put the kids right here. Let me grab my hot glue gun and just add some hot glue right here where the kids are gonna stand. Like if they're going trick-or-treating and are gonna get spooked by a ghost. Even though he doesn't seem very scary. I wonder if I have another scary little ghost here. Let me see. I definitely like the Boo. So that can go like right here. And maybe I can put... Oh, that's cute, you guys. Okay, let's see. So we can put almost like he's trying to scare the kids. And then I'm gonna just stress the word Boo a little bit. Not too much. Just whatever's left over on my little tool. And then we can put Boo right here. Oh yes, I like this. I like that these that I made the second time around are a little bit bigger. So we're gonna do that. And I think, oh, maybe I can put like a little witch hat on the ghost. How cute is that? I love this, you guys. This is so fun. This is cute. This is cute. Let me add some baby powder to the back of this sticker because I don't want it sticking everywhere. All you do is just place some baby powder on the back, and then you have no adhesive anymore, so you're not sticking everywhere. Let me just put this in the trash. Okay, I like it. I like it. What do you guys think so far? Isn't that cute? And it's like a bigger embellishment, but it's like fun. You don't have to make it. See, this one that I made yesterday, it's also a bigger one than the smaller ones, but you can just go crazy and do a bunch of stuff. I actually want to put I'm gonna put some of this little webbing. Just cut a little piece. I like the way it looks on the embellishments. Add some hot glue to the fence where you're going to be putting it. Careful you don't burn yourself because it's painful. And then I'm going to grab a little mini spider. These are some spiders from Dollar Tree last year. Add some hot glue to that, place it down. Look at that. That is so cute. What do you guys think? Isn't that cute? Oh, and the ghost with the little witch hat is so fun. I love that one. So cute. So we're gonna try another one with a little haunted house. I've been loving doing those. So we're gonna grab a house, and this is from, I can't remember, I think it's Boo something. I forgot the name of that collection. But we're gonna put the haunted house in the back, as I've been doing, in the back of the fence. So I'm gonna just add some hot glue. And we're gonna place the fence right over the house. And then, since I like to do, oh, we're gonna actually put a bunch of this webbing on the bottom. I'm gonna make it longer than you just manipulate the webbing however you want it. These are super easy, you guys. I make embellishments that are easy to make, and you can make a bunch in a short amount of time, because there's nothing more that I hate is wasting so much time that I don't have making an embellishment. Nobody wants to sit there and take like 2 hours to make an embellishment. I want to add a little bit of more hot glue right there, glue that down. And then we're gonna figure out, maybe I can put like a little black cat or something, or a pumpkin here. That's cute. Like a little pumpkin right there. I don't have any like that. You can add some glue right there. Oops. Okay, add that there, and I want to add let's see. Oh, that's cute. Look, this one right here, and it says "Hey Pumpkin," and then we can add a little ghost in the back. Yep. Actually, I'm gonna distress my little "Hey Pumpkin." So if you guys create these, definitely tag me on my Instagram. I love to see what you guys recreate of mine. I'm sorry this video went up so late. Usually I try to upload it early, but being that I deleted my footage, of course, things didn't go as I planned. I'm trying to think, what should I put here? Do I have like a little black cat maybe? Let's see, these are the stickers to the Spooky Boo. Should I do like a little, I'll do like a little spider right there, but a paper one instead of the ones from Dollar Tree. That's cute. Now I have to find a ghost, you guys. Let's see. I want like a little ghost coming up from the top. Let me see which one of my... Should I do like a small one? This one? That'd be cute. Yeah, so basically I need to just add some baby powder. Take off the adhesive so it could be easier to work with. And we're gonna add him right there. Oops. I'm gonna put the ghost right here, kind of like peeking out the house. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'll show you in the end anyway. I also wanna, of course, just a little edges, add a little bit of distressing to the ghost. And of course to my pumpkin. not too much. But yeah, you guys, that is the tutorial for my fence embellishments. I think I want to put a little, this one's too big, one of these right here on the little witch hat. You guys know I'll put a pom-pom on anything. This is cute. Okay, so here you go, guys. These are my little fence embellishments. You can go crazy, you guys. I'm telling you. If you go on my Instagram, you can see all the ones that I created. These are the ones that I made yesterday. Options are endless. You can show a little bit of the fence, a lot of the fence. Look at this. And I'm pretty sure your pen pals will love these. These can be put on flip books, on loaded bags, or just to have as a little gift to remember your pen pal by. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye, guys.